Okay, so this is gonna be the week, not the week, sorry, the 3.1 course practice quiz. So we start with question 1. What of the following are the root of the equation 2x plus 1 squared equals to 121? Now, this basically means that 2x plus 1 squared equals to 121. This is what it means, not basically. You're going to square root both sides, like this. So you're going to get 2x plus 1 equals to this, the square root of 121 you should know is 11. So this equals to positive or negative 11. Because remember, if it's an even exponent, there's going to be the case of positive and negative. So we're going to split this up. 2x plus 1 is equal to positive 11 and 2x plus 1 equals to negative 11. Let's work on the positive case first. So 2x plus 1 equals to positive 11. So we're going to take the plus 1 to the other side. 2x is going to equal to 10. X is equal to 5. So we select it. Okay. Now 2x plus 1 equals to negative 11. You take the negative 1 to the other side. 2x equals to negative 12. Divide by 2 on both sides. X equals to negative 6. So you circle it as well. Okay, that's question 1. Question 2. Okay. Now this one, they did it in a really weird way. Honestly, I don't even know why. What I think is the best course of action for this question and the question after it, or one of the questions, this will normally come in your purpose. I don't think this will come in the exam. 99% this won't come in your exam, but we have to do tarbi. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna complete the square on our own way because this way is weird. I don't like it. Then we're gonna work backwards. Basically, you're gonna see what I mean. So let's take the equation. That's a new page. Okay, this is our equation. So 3x squared plus 8x minus 3 equals to 0, right? Let's complete the square. We're going to take the 3 out of the first two only. So 3x squared plus 8 over 3x. Again, we just factored out the 3 out of the first two terms. The third one, you leave it alone. Minus 3 equals to 0. Perfect. So 3 x squared plus 8 over 3x. Now, what you do here, you're going to do half of the b terms. So this one and squared. So let me show what I mean. 8 over 3 times 1 over 2. This equals, this is going to cancel 1, this is going to cancel 4, 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3 squared equals to 16 over 9. Right, so then we put plus or minus, it's plus minus 16 over 9. 16 over 9 minus 16 over 9 minus 3 equals to 0. Now you factor with the first three terms. So 3, let's rearrange it like this. X 4 over 3 squared minus 16 over 9 minus 3 equals to 0. Remember, I just factored out the first three terms. I rearranged it into a perfect trinomial, right? If just for you to check, like you can expand it. Let's expand it just to be sure. X plus 4 over 3 squared equals x squared plus 2 times 4 over 3, so 8 over 3 x plus what else? 4 over 3 squared, so 16 over 9. Yeah, okay, it expands into what we originally had. If it does, that means your trinomial that you factored is correct. So our factoring is correct, and this is where we are so far, right? Okay, now let's just distribute the 3. 3x plus 4 over 3 squared minus, what is 3 times 16 over 9? This 3 cancels with this 3, 16 over 3. Minus 16 over 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So what we're going to do, we're going to take both to the other side. So 3x plus 4 over 3 squared equals to 3 plus 16 over 3. I just took the constants outside to the other side. Let's simplify this. This is going to be 9 over 3 plus 16 over 3. This is going to equal 25 over 3. So our completed square is going to be x plus 4 over 3 squared equals to 25 over 3. Right? So 25 over 3, there, we have it. So let's just tick. We have this one. This what they did for the first one. They just took the 3 to the other side, which is obviously correct because that's another way of working. So I don't like doing it, but it's an accepted method, so we're gonna tick it. Okay, and then obviously we took the 3 plus 16 over 3 to the other side in our solving, so we tick this one. Nothing else matches up because we added 16 over 3, not 16 over 9. It's 25 over 3, not 25 over 9. And it's not positive or negative. There's only one case, so whatever the bottom is there, it is wrong. Okay. Question 3. Which is what is true about the equation x squared plus 100 equals to 1. Now, for this one, you're going to need to use the discriminant. Let me just tell you what it means. So let me just change the color to black. X squared plus 100 equals to 1. You take it to the other side. Or actually, you don't need to use the discriminant. My bad. X squared equals to negative 99. This is not possible. This is not a real solution. No real solutions. Okay. Okay, so question 4. Which of the following steps can be used to solve 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals to 0 by completing the square? Same thing. We're just going to do the exact same thing we did. So 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Let me just check if I'm recording audio because I would hate if I'm not. I am indeed. Perfect. Okay, this I'm going to ignore. Inshallah, it fixes itself. 2x squared minus 7 over 2. Let me fix that. That's too big. Minus 7 over 2x. Plus 3 equals to 0, which is doing what I did last time. Now, half of b, you square it. So, negative 7 over 2 times 1 over 2, negative 7 over 4. You square this. So, negative 7 over 4 squared equals to 49 over 16. So, this is going to be 2x squared minus 7 over 2x plus 49 over 16 minus 49 over 16. Right, this is just how you complete the square. Plus 3 equals to 0. Perfect. Now you factor this into the trinomial. So 2, we're going to add this bracket here. X minus, this is going to be 7 over 4. X minus 7 over 4 squared minus 49 over 16 plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so then you just distribute this in. X minus 7 over 4 squared minus, well, again, we're distributing now, 2 times 49 over 16, 49 over 8. Minus 49 over 8 plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, we're going to take these to the other side. So, 2x minus 7 over 4 squared equals to 49 over 8 minus 3. Okay. We're going to need to get the 3 into a multiple of 8. So, we're going to do 3 times 24 over 8. Okay. So, let me just check if we're on the row they want. Yeah, okay, we are on the row they want. Perfect. So it's negative 49 over, yeah, okay, so negative 3 plus 49 over 8. Is that an option? Negative 3 plus 14 over 8. So yeah, we're on the right track so far. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to simplify this. 49 over 8 minus 24 over 8. This is going to be 25 over 8. So 2x minus 7 over 4 squared equals to 25 over 8. This is our final answer. So we're going to take 25 over 8 and keep in mind they're both 25 over 8 here. However, one's 7 over 2 and one's 7 over 4. We want the 7 over 4 because if you go up, we got 7 over 4. So we're going to take 5 We also are going to take 3 because they just moved negative 3 to the other side. We're also going to take 4. This is the only one that matches. The rest don't really match. Right, because remember, we added 49 over 8. This is why I don't like their method. They use like weird intermediary steps we don't use. So just use the way I'm teaching you now. Your life is going to be really easy. Okay, perfect. Question 5. This came in the AMS quiz that I explained earlier today. So all we're going to do, we're going to divide by 14 on both sides. So 3x minus 21. 2x plus 16 is equal to 0, because remember, we're dividing by 14. This is going to cancel, and 0 over 14 is going to make 0. Right? So we're going to set each equal to 0. 3x minus 21 equals to 0. 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 over 3, which is 7. So we take and we put 7 here. 2x plus 16 equals to 0. 2x equals to negative 16. X is equal to negative 8. Okay, we put that down there. Question 6. So, consider the equation, blah, blah, blah. What we're going to do, we are going to factor out. So first, everything can be divisible by 2, so we're going to take 2 out. X squared plus 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. X squared plus 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. Remember, 2 divided by 2, this cancels, this makes 1, and 0 divided by 2 is just going to be 0. So, we're here, right? This is where we are now. What we're going to do, we're going to factor this even more. X squared plus 2 numbers that multiply to make 27 and add up to make 6. This is going to be 9x minus 3x minus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, now we're going to do it. Separate it into x squared plus 9x. For a more detailed description on my factoring method, now keep in mind, this is the way I factor, this is the way I was taught to factor. Every teacher teaches factoring in a different way, because there are many different ways to factor. It is based on how your teacher taught you. So if you don't like my method, don't follow it. I explained it in more detail in the AMS quiz. So feel free to check that out. So 3x plus 27 equals to 0. So we're just going to erase the top because I have no more space to work. Right, so this is where we are. Now we're going to take out the common factors in each of them. So x is the common factor across the first part here. X plus 9 minus, here is the common factor is 3, so minus 3 x plus 9. Now we group up this with this with this and this with this. So x minus 3 into x plus 9. This is our factor. Now we're just going to substitute, and we're going to set this equal to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0. X equals to 3. X plus 9 equals to 0. X equals to negative 9. There we go. Okay, these are our two answers. Let's erase everything. Oh, you don't, let me just do it like this from here. Question 7. This one is 0, because you can do this mentally, but let's explain. 9x squared, take this to the other side. 1 minus 1 is going to equal to 0. What number multiplied by anything is going to give you 0? 0. 0 is the factor. 0 is the root. Question 8. For what value is x squared equals 144? Now, they know that you're going to know it's 12, right? It's very easy. But what they did, they tricked you. They put enter the smaller value. You will most likely put 12. You will not read this part. You will think this doesn't here, okay? Even in the exam, I know people don't read, which fair enough, they don't have that much time. But they tell you a lot of crucial givens sometimes in math, in the questions. So they tell you here, enter the smaller value, right? So this is going to be x squared equals to 144. I already wrote that down. So this is going to be x is equal to positive or negative 12. We're going to take the smaller value, negative 12. Negative 12 is obviously smaller than positive 12. So negative 12 is our answer. Yes. Okay, so question 9. For what value of x is 4x squared plus 13 equal to 49? If more than one value exists, enter the small value. Okay, so what we're going to do, for x squared equals to, we're going to take this to the other side. 49 minus 13 is equal to 36. So this is going to equal 36. So we're going to divide by 4 on both sides. X squared is equal to 9. Now this is going to be x is equal to positive or negative 3. Right? Now negative 3 is going to be smaller than 3. So we're going to put negative 3. Okay. Question 10. Is it still recording fine? Yes, it is. Okay. So, I don't know why it's doing this. Why is my pen laggy? 2x minus 15 squared is equal to 9. Okay? Now, square root both sides. 2x minus 15 is equal to positive or negative 3. What we're going to do is we're going to take both cases. So 2x minus 15 equals to 3, and 2x minus 15 is equal to negative 3. Okay, now we're going to take 15 to the other side for the first case, and we're going to do it for the second case as well, but let's solve case by case. So 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 9. Same thing with this one. 2x, you take this to the other side, it's equal to 12. X is equal to 6. So it's going to be this for both of them. 9 and 6 are our answers. Question 11. I solved this in a previous one. I solved this whole question in another one, so I'm going to skip it. Question 12. The roots of x minus 8 into x plus 14. So I didn't solve this yet, but it's going to be solved in another question. It's going to be solved in question 14. X plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, so x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 8. X plus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to, where did that come from? X is equal to negative 14. Okay, so these are our answers. You plug them in, and that's it. Question 13. One root of x plus 2 squared is equal to 100, is negative 12. And the other one is blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're going to square root both sides. So x plus 2, it really does not like this, is equal to, it wasn't doing this before. X plus 2 is equal to 10 plus or negative. So we're going to take both cases. Let's take the positive case first. X plus 2 is equal to 10. Take this to the other side. X is equal to 8. This is our final answer. Question 14. This is what I mean by it's going to be solved here. So we're going to complete the square. X squared minus 8x minus 33 is equal to 0. Okay, perfect. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take the factor of, there's nothing to factor on both sides, so just x squared minus 8x minus 33 is equal to 0. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take half of this, which is 4, and then square it. So this is going to be 16. So it's going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 16 minus 33 is equal to 0. Okay, perfect. Now what we're going to do, we're going to factor. The first three terms. So this is what I'm talking about. We're gonna factor this. Now, this is gonna be x minus 4 squared. You should not factor trinomials. Yani I'm not gonna explain it. Minus 16 minus 33 equals to 0. So we filled our first blank here, and then eventually negative 16 minus 33 is equals to x minus 4 squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Take 49 to the other side. X minus 4 squared equal to 49. Okay. And this is our second block. This is part A solved. Okay. Now, we are gonna solve it like normal. X minus 4 is equal to positive or negative 7. Okay. X is equal to, x minus 4 is equal to, let's take the positive case first, since that's been like giving us the answers first without even trying the negative one. So this is going to be x is equal to 7 plus 4, which is 11, and x is equal to 11. Okay. For this one, just completing the square. So x squared minus 6x plus 40. Okay. Now just complete the square. Nothing to take out, so it's going to be x squared minus 6x plus 40. What we're going to do now, we are going to take half of the 6, which is 3, and square 3, which is going to be 9. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus 40 is equal to 0. Factor the first trinomials, so x minus 3 squared plus or sorry, minus 9 plus 40 is equal to 0. Now, is it just encoding? Is it overloading my encoder? Because it's lagging. I don't know what's happening. I think it's because it's limited at 50 FPS, whatever. So now, this is gonna be our first three brackets, or the first three blanks, sorry. Then this just stays, and then 40 minus 9 is gonna be 31. So x minus 3 squared plus 31. This is our final answer. Okay, this is the end of the quiz. Good luck, guys. I'll upload 6.2 soon, if not tomorrow.